Aiemgodbook.
Anna Atkins was an English botanist and photographer, noted for her early use of photography for scientific purposes. She is often considered the first person to publish a book illustrated with photographic images. Some sources say that she was the first woman to create a photograph.
Atkins was born in Tunbridge, Kent, England in 1799. Anna was close to her father, John George Children. He was a scientist who held positions as assistant librarian and keeper in the developing British Museum and as fellow and secretary of the Royal Society. He served as vice president of the Botanical Society of London. Anna received an unusually scientific education for a woman of her time. In 1823, she illustrated children's translation of Jean-Baptiste de Monet Lamarck's Genera of Shells, making 256 drawings. These images and the lithographed views of Wootton Church, Warwickshire, published by Charles Holmendel, and Halstead Church and Halstead Place, Kent, which she produced, reveal an attention to detail and artistic ability later exhibited in her photographic work with botanical specimens and other objects. Atkins pursued her interests in botany by collecting dried plants, which were probably used as photograms later.
Children was privy to the groundbreaking results of William Henry Fox Talbot's experiments in photogenic drawing, almost from their first announcement at the Royal Institution. When Children retired to the Atkinses' home, he and Anna Atkins tried their hand at producing photogenic drawings. The two men discussed Talbot's process and, receiving samples of Talbot's calotypes, Children reported that he and Atkins would soon try out the new paper negative photography. That year Children purchased a camera for Atkins, from Andrew Ross, but both his and Atkins's success with the instrument is uncertain. No known calotype prints by Children or Atkins survive. Some sources say that Atkins was the first female photographer, while others attribute this title to Constance Fox Talbot. As no camera-based photographs by Anna Atkins, nor photographs by Constance Talbot survive, the issue may never be resolved. Atkins quickly took up the cyanotype process, after Sir John Herschel, a wide-ranging scientific researcher and family friend, sent to Children his recently published paper containing the blueprint procedure, rather than using Talbot's technical methods. Coating her paper with a mixture of ferric ammonium citrate and potassium ferrocyanide and exposing the dried paper to light for a brief period of minutes, Atkins could utilize fine specimens of Ptilota sericea and Hemanthalia laurea as negatives which, when contact printed under the pressure of glass, would produce photograms of striking white images against a rich ground of Prussian blue.
Atkins loosely based the organization and classification of British algae upon that of William Harvey's Manual of British Algae, announcing in her preface that,
"I have intentionally departed from the systematic arrangement that I might give specimens of very various characters as a sample."
The three-volume work originally issued serially in 13 parts. These parts, when rearranged into volumes, included title pages, indexes, and an appendix that the book's recipients could order, according to Atkins's inserted instructions.
Halting publication for a year, upon her father's death in 1852, Atkins authored a memoir of John George Children. In the 1850s, Atkins collaborated with Anne Dixon, who was like a sister to her, to produce at least 3 presentation albums of cyanotype photograms. In addition to photographs of British algae, Atkins published 5 fictional novels. In 1865, Atkins retained the algae, ferns and other plants that she used in her work, donated the collection to the British Museum. She died at Halstead Place in 1871 of paralysis, rheumatism, and exhaustion at the age of 72. Only 17 copies of the book, Photographs of British Algae, cyanotype impressions, are known to exist, in various states of completeness. Atkins' work was a major feature in the New Realities photography in the 19th Century exhibition, held in the Rijksmuseum, Amsterdam, June, September 2017, and the New York Public Library in 2018.
Atkins self-published her photograms in the first installment of Photographs of British Algae, cyanotype impressions in October 1843. She planned to provide illustrations to William Henry Harvey's A Manual of British Algae, which had been published in 1841. Despite a few references to the locations of collection for her specimens, and no indication of the species status in Harvey's color coding system, Atkins's project was the first sustained effort to demonstrate that the medium of photography could be both scientifically useful and aesthetically pleasing. Although privately published, with a limited number of copies, and with handwritten text, Photographs of British Algae, Cyanotype Impressions is considered the first book illustrated with photographic images.